What's up everybody? In today's video I am installing graphics on a Corvette. Right now it's 10:30, hoping to get there by 11. Taking the fast track to get there a little bit quicker, so let's go. Man, it's so cold out right now. Corvette's getting washed, so once that's done, I'll get started. The decals I'm installing are called Jake Skull decals, and if you follow Corvette racing then you know where this skull came from. But if you're like me and don't follow that and had no idea where it came from, let me just give you a quick little history of this design. The truck driver of the Corvette racing team had wanted to put a skull sticker on the Corvette that was racing, and it just so happened that that Corvette won the race that day. And I guess being that they were superstitious with that skull sticker, which I probably would be too if someone put that on my car and I won, they decided to make their own skull logo because I believe it was already copyrighted design. So they came up with this design of the skull and started putting it on their race cars. Where does the name Jake come from? Well, according to this website that I'm reading right here, it was the Corvette's marketing manager, Claudio, allegedly named the skull logo after Jake Blues from the 1980 film The Blues Brothers. Not only did that Jake skull logo help them win the race, but it also helped with merchandise and memorabilia, and they sold a lot of it, so good for them. The color of this Corvette is called Amplify Orange, and it's hard to tell from the camera. You have to see it in person to really get an idea of what this color looks like. It is super bright orange. Yeah, I like it, so. These Corvette decals are pretty easy to install if you know what you're doing. But if you have no idea or haven't worked with factory style graphics from a dealership, they can be different than your typical decals that you would buy from a sign shop. They are a lot thicker, and so therefore they're a little bit harder to get down around edges. As you see, I have to use my heat gun and really heat the thing to make it stick and also conform to the body lines. It's about 1:20. Finished a little later than I wanted to, but doing okay, still on time for the rest of the day. Yeah, what do you guys think of those stripes? I think they are pretty cool because they break up the orange. I mean, the orange is so bright, you know? So let me know what you think in the comments below. Man, those things are so cool. The tires on them are so wide. Yeah, it's ridiculous. Yeah, anyways, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you're not already. I would greatly appreciate that. And yeah, catch you on the next one.